Hello, good morning, sir. Myself, Pratik Patel. My partner name is Priyank Patel. These are our contact info. Our project is about test simulation in VR, and the sector of innovation is augmented reality and virtual reality. Our problem statement is AR VR is being vastly used for entertainment purposes, but our team is trying to make useful applications of AR VR. Our final year project is the first step towards it. In this project, we are intended to make a driving test simulation in VR. Objective of our project, our purposed idea is a VR virtual reality based driving test simulator. It consists of a VR headset where the Android phone running our application will be placed. The user will be placed in a car in a virtual 3D environment where they will experience the process of the driving test step by step. The existing system during the research for this project, we came across various projects on turning the testing process completely in VR. Though it seems convenient, we do not believe that driving test on totally simulated platform is not a good idea, especially in traffic heavy country like India. Our project intends to provide an immersive guide for the task based driving license test of India that will help practice the task in real.
Good morning, sir. Proposed system. We are trying making a simple app that you can easily download on the phone and watch it in any VR card box with your phone, and the app will automatically guide you to the rest task. Parameters and rules with a simulated tutorial of the vehicle of your choice. This app will be an education utility that will help you practice before actually driving test. Coming to the next part is its application. People are good drivers on road and real world traffic, but our driving tests require candidates perform certain specific tasks. So many people get confused when attempting them for the first time because some of the tasks don't come in handy every day in regular driving activities. This application will provide experience to the user about the driving test task and detailed information such as time instructions about it. Conclusion. Driving is one of the essential skills required for commute. So most people want to get their driving license, but we have found out that majority of people fail in their first attempt at driving test. So this simulation will come handy to such users to have knowledge about driving tests, its track and time limits. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.